It's not possible to remove myshopify.com from the URL of your Shopify store because this is an integral part of your store's URL structure. The myshopify.com subdomain is used by Shopify to host and manage your store. However, you can set up a custom domain to give your store a more branded and professional appearance. Here's how you can set up a custom domain in Shopify. Purchase a custom domain. Choose and purchase a custom domain through a domain registrar like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or directly through Shopify. Access Shopify Admin. Log into your Shopify Admin dashboard. Go to Online Store Settings. In the left-hand menu, navigate to Online Store and then Domains. Add Custom Domain. Click on Add Custom Domain and enter the domain you purchased. Configure DNS settings. Follow the instructions provided by Shopify to configure the DNS settings for your custom domain. This usually involves updating the DNS records with your domain registrar. Verify and set as primary. Once DNS settings are configured, verify the domain and set it as the primary domain for your store.